If f of x equals 8x cubed plus 9x squared minus 8x plus 3 and capital F of 1 equals 6, what is the value of f of 0? In this case, we're looking for the antiderivative of our original function. So we'll go ahead and take our original function, and we're going to go ahead and isolate each one of the terms and find the antiderivative of each one. Then start with the first term, the 8x cubed. To find the antiderivative, we add 1 to the power, giving us the new power of 4, and then we divide by that new power. And so 8 divided by 4 is just 2, so the antiderivative is 2x to the 4th. Now the next term, the 9x squared, we do the same thing. We add 1 to the power, giving our new power to be 3, divide by the new power, so 9 divided by 3 is just 3, and then the next one, the negative 8x, we add 1 to the power is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, divide by the new power, so 8 divided by 2 is 4, so it's 4x squared. And the antiderivative of the last term, the 3, is just 3x. Now because we're finding the antiderivative, we do have to add the plus c at the end because, again, we're making a family of equations. We can find what the value of c is for this equation because we have a boundary condition. We know that when x equals 1, capital F of 1 equals 6. So we can go ahead and plug a 1 in for all our x's and a 6 in for our capital F of x. And now we can solve for our c. So we have 2 times 1 to the 4th, which is just 2, plus 3 times 1 cubed, which is just 3, minus 4 times 1 squared, which is just negative 4, plus 3 times 1, which is just 3. 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 is just 4. And so we have 6 equals 4 plus c. So we subtract 4 from both sides of the equation, gives us that c equals 2. So now that we have c, we can go ahead and plug that in to our original equation. And now we can just go ahead and take the 0 and plug that in for all our x's, and we find that f of 0 equals 2.